Sopa de milpa. A delicious Mexican soup recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 35 minutes. Here is what you'll need. A half-piece white onion, 3 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or lard, 2 cups fresh corn kernels, 3 medium zucchini, 12 to 15 pieces zucchini blossoms, 1 large poblano chili, 1.5 cups oyster or cremini mushrooms, 8 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 1 large sprig fresh epazote. Step 1. Prepare the poblano chili by roasting it over an open flame or under a broiler until the skin is charred and blistered. Place in a plastic bag for 10 minutes to steam, then peel, remove seeds, and slice into thin strips. Step 2. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or a traditional Mexican olla de barro, heat the oil or lard over medium heat until shimmering. Step 3. Add the finely diced onion and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until translucent and soft, but not browned. Step 4. Stir in the minced garlic and the fresh corn kernels. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes. The corn should begin to turn a deeper gold and smell toasted. Step 5. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pot. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until they release their moisture and begin to soften. Step 6. Pour in the 8 cups of stock. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the liquid to a gentle boil. Step 7. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. Add the diced zucchini and the prepared poblano strips. Step 8. Tuck the epazote sprig into the broth. This herb is the soul of the soup, providing a unique earthy aroma. Step 9. Simmer the soup for 10 to 12 minutes or until the zucchini is tender but still holds its shape. Step 10. Taste the broth and add salt as needed. The amount will depend on the saltiness of your stock. Step 11. Gently fold in the torn zucchini blossoms. These are very delicate and only need about 2 minutes to wilt into the hot soup. Step 12. Remove the epazote sprig before serving if you prefer a cleaner presentation, though leaving it in is perfectly traditional. Step 13. Ladle the hot soup into deep bowls, ensuring everyone gets a generous portion of all the vegetables and blossoms. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.